Everyone, back tuning into this evening's second 5-day forecast update. It's been brought to my attention that we had a few problems with the first recording, got a bit cut off in our prime, so I'm doing it again. Hopefully it's going to come out okay. I didn't realise that it had been cut off. I don't listen to the videos actually when I've recorded them because I don't like listening to myself. So apologies about that. If you're wondering what happened, I'm not sure. I think there was a bit of a glitch with the software, but I'm hoping that it's going to do okay this time. We'll find out at the end of the video whether it's worked. Now, before I get on that, just say about the access link to articles on the page at gasoffice.com. Have browse through widgets and click through if there's anything that you're interested in. We better get on because you're very late. It's gone 6 o'clock in the evening as I'm doing the update. So we're going to start off with the radar picture from the weather outlook. And the showers are beginning to ease away now on the bursts of rain. Although we still have got some quite heavy showers across, particularly the eastern parts of the country. You notice that things are calming down actually out in west, but very gradually things do seem to be easing. Here's today's synoptic pressure chart, and the low pressure is going off into the east, bring down this northerly flow. So you're going to find the showers dying away this evening. They'll be sort of dying back to the coast. Most places will become dry, I think, through the course of the night. It's going to turn quite cold up in the north, with temperatures down to freezing. But in the south, the temperatures should hold up at around 5-6 degrees because we keep a bit of a northerly wind going. Into Thursday, and the dry general election day, what I've been promising, looks like it's gone down the pan a little bit because we've got some showers coming up. We have got a very weak ridge through the country for Thursday, but I think we will still generate some shower, particularly in the afternoon, across parts of northern England, Wales and the Midlands. Otherwise, a lot of dry weather with sunny spells. And even where those showers are occurring, I think they'll be generally fairly well scattered. So not everywhere will get them, but they'll be slow moving and quite heavy, so you could know about it. Temperatures on Thursday, perhaps lifting up a little bit, up to around 15 or 16 degrees. That's around 61 in Fahrenheit. It should feel a bit better because the winds will be lighter. A cold night on Thursday night with the risk of a fairly widespread frost in some northern parts of the country, particularly centred on Scotland, I think. As we go through into Friday, though, the next area of low pressure is moving in off the Atlantic. So although we're going to start off on a dry and fine note with sunny spells, I think it will turn cloudy in the west through the course of the day on Friday, with some quite heavy rain coming through Ireland and into Wales, northwest England and southwestern Scotland. Central eastern parts of the country should stay mostly dry with those sunny spells gradually giving way to cloud. Temperatures on Friday could get up to around 17 in the south, 63 Fahrenheit, but in the west, where we've got the rain moving in, be quite cold at just 63. To just 13 Celsius, that's 55 Fahrenheit. As we move through into Saturday, low pressure is over the country, so we're going to have showers or longer spells of rain, particularly up in the north through the course of the morning. That'll clear away, and then brighter skies will follow in, but it's going to be generally quite a showery day, as you'd expect with low pressure over the top of the country. And we're bringing down this northerly wind, so it will feel quite cold on Saturday, with temperatures actually dipping away a little bit in the south, probably going down to 15 degrees in the north, probably no better than around 10 degrees. But then things improve as we move into Sunday. We get this build of high pressure coming up from the south, although low pressure is out in the Atlantic, and that's putting the high pressure under pressure, so I think it will sort of flatten off as we run through into next week. But for a time, Monday, Tuesday, we do get high pressure building through, so away from Northern Ireland and western Scotland, where there could be some quite heavy rain, most places will turn dry on Sunday with sunny spells. Excuse me, temperatures will respond to that sunshine, plus again it's around 19 degrees in the southeast, that is 66 Fahrenheit. And then as we move through into Monday, we find the high pressure slipping eastwards in towards central parts of Europe as this low pressure begins to move in off the Atlantic. So I think what we're going to find on Monday is that it gradually turns cloudy with some showery rain coming into western parts of the country, but central east areas should stay mostly dry with sunny spells. We're bringing up a southerly wind between this low pressure and high pressure. That's bringing the air up from the south, so it will turn significantly warmer potentially on Monday with temperatures up to 22 or 23 degrees. That's into the low 70s Fahrenheit, but we've probably got to watch out on Monday evening and overnight into Tuesday for some heavy, perhaps even thundery rain or thunderstorms coming up from the south, so that will be one to keep an eye on. Finally, having a look at the charts from the weatheroutlook.com. Here is the situation for this evening. Lots of heavy showers in eastern parts of the country. As we run through into Thursday, there could be more showers around, particularly for central parts, but they'll be fairly well scattered. Not going to be a washout of a day by any means. A dry start to Friday, but more rain coming in off the Atlantic through the course of the day. Showers and longer spells of rain in the northeast on Saturday, but it turns drier on Sunday and significantly warmer as well. And then as we move through into Monday, well, nice day. There could be some showery rain coming up to the west, but central and eastern parts of the country stays mainly dry, becoming very warm potentially on Monday afternoon, with temperatures possibly peaking at around 23 degrees. But expect it to turn cooler as we run beyond that into Tuesday. It turns more unsettled and cooler off the Atlantic. So in summary, the 5-day forecast period is going to be unsettled with showers or longer spells of rain up to Saturday, and then we're going to be looking at a drier couple of days, Sunday and Monday, becoming warmer. I don't think it's going to last more than a couple of days though, and then it'll cool off. That's it for now. Hopefully the video has recorded okay. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.